Good morning everyone. Today's assembly will be conducted by Vardaini of class 10th. The topic for today's assembly is natural disasters. Natural disasters are catastrophic events with atmospheric, geological or hydrological origins. Examples may be earthquakes, landslides, floods and droughts. They can cause fatalities, property damage and environmental and social disruption. Although none of them is exactly predictable, but still some are considered to be predictable while others give no warning. For example, an earthquake is a sudden release of energy accumulated in deformed rocks, causing the ground to tremble and shake. Earthquake is a sudden onset hazard and can happen at any time without any warning. Extensive research has been conducted in recent decades, but as yet there is no accepted method of earthquake prediction. Most of the predictions of earthquakes that have happened have failed. It is therefore a myth when we say that earthquakes can be predicted. Thank you.